Welcome to the oral fluid collection process. This is an extensive guide on how to complete the process as a collector. Open the laboratory oral fluid collection kit in front of the donor. Contents include quantizal collection devices with transport tubes and collection swabs, barcodes, 2 security seals, 2 kit box shipping seals, 1 biohazard collection bag. Open the quantizal packet and remove the transport tubes and collection swabs. 1 sample will be used for confirmation of the not negative result. The other sample will be kept for a 3-month period at CHL, in the event the donor wished to contest the original confirmation result. Place a barcode on the top right corner of the chain of custody form, 1 for each page. They are as follows: laboratory copy, pink; donor's copy, white; collector's copy, green; employer's copy, yellow. The following information is required on the collection tubes: donor's name, date of collection. Fill out the information and then attach a barcode to each of the collection tubes. Open the swab packet and instruct the donor to remove the swab from the plastic end. Ask the donor to wipe the inside of both cheeks a couple of times and then place the collection swab under the tongue to collect the saliva. Tilting the head slightly forward will increase the saliva production. Observe the bottom of the collection stick. The indicator window will turn blue when enough saliva has been collected. Here is the indicator window with the blue present. This indicates the collection sponge has a sufficient sample to be sent for confirmation. The collector fills out the chain of custody form, up until the date/time of collection. Ask the donor to place the swab into the collection tube. Repeat the process for the second tube and ensure the lids of the tubes are secured. The donor signs the security seals, acknowledging the collection tubes have their name and a barcode which match the chain of custody form. The collector signs the security seals to acknowledge they have completed the collection process. The collection tubes are then secured with the tamper-evident security seals. The collection process is now complete once the containers are secured. The donor reads and signs the declaration on the chain of custody form. The collector signs the date/time of collection and the certification on the chain of custody form. It will certify the oral fluid specimen has been collected, labeled and sealed in accordance with the AS/NZS 4760/2019. The pink copy is removed, folded and placed in the front pocket of the biohazard collection bag. The collection tubes are placed in the back pocket of the biohazard collection bag. The bag is then secured by rolling it up towards the opening. Stop before the red line at the top. Remove the plastic liner to expose the adhesive ribbon. Continue to roll the bag over the adhesive ribbon to secure the samples. Place sealed biohazard security bag in the laboratory collection box. The collector will sign and date the 2 kit box shipping seals and then apply the seals to both ends of the collection box. The collection kit is now secured and ready for transportation to Canterbury Health Laboratory. Place the collection kit in the pre-addressed courier bag, seal and arrange for courier collection. The donor is given the white copy of the chain of custody form. The collector keeps the green copy and stores in a secure location or scans, uploads and disposes of the original copy. The yellow copy is for the employer. This is either sent as the report or added to a report. The blanked out section is related to the drug class confirmation request and the donor's declared medication. The interim report may be issued, which may advise the specimen requires further testing, RFD, without the indication of which drug class is not negative.